my dear friends. I'm happy to be standing here as the president of Badminton Club for SJKC Pinghua 1. Thank you so much for everyone for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in Badminton Club. I joined this club since Standard 1. I love playing badminton and wanted a platform to be able to improve my skills. These past 4 years, I not only improved my skills, I met great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. Sincerely, I would like to thank my mentor, Coach Tan, for teaching me about badminton. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement. And I'd like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I wouldn't have gone this far. Now, allow me to share the benefits of our badminton club for new members. Firstly, upon joining, you receive a free badminton club t-shirt and towel set. Number 2, there are badminton tournaments that we can join. Number 3, as a member, you are entitled to discounts on badminton equipment and sportswear from Aeon, Yonex, and Li-Ning. I'll be serving as 2 years as president of the badminton club for SJKC Pinghua 1, and I'd like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are the few things in my plan which I would like to carry out. Number 1, increase free usage of badminton from 2 days to 4 days so our members can practice more often. Number 2, I would like to invite special guests, professional national players like Dato Lee Chong Wei and Li Zijia to provide professional coaching for our fellow members. Number 3, we will have friendly matches with other schools once a month to learn from each other and improve our skills. Number 4, we will secure tickets to all coming badminton tournaments for us to watch the matches and meet the fan session with our Malaysian national players like Li Zijia, Aaron Xia, and Su Yi. Number 5, we will try to win the inter-school badminton tournament. Last year, we got 2nd place. Number 6, I will encourage people to join a club, and I would like to increase our club members from 200 to 400 members. I'm sure all my fellow members are feeling excited on the plans that we have for our badminton club. I will not be able to do this myself. That is why I need all of your support. Teamwork makes the dream work. I will serve with all my heart, and I'll do my very best for SJKC Pinghua 1 Badminton Club. Together, we can make this club a success. I look forward to serving my fellow members. Thank you.